Hello friends, this is Hunan Altaf, a researcher from International Islamic University, Malaysia. Through this video presentation, I will throw some light on one of the vital functions of RAQIB Smartwatch developed by Favoriot. I will also be discussing how a Favoriot platform can be utilized to extract the raw ECG data. So the theme of this video presentation is the RAQIB Smartwatch as a tool to record ECG. The project which I was working on where I utilized this RAQIB smartwatch is titled as non-invasive stress detection using machine learning algorithms. Here through this video presentation I'll not be going into the technical details of how it was done because there is a separate video link shared for that purpose. My main focus here will be to exhibit the usage of the smartwatch and the methodology applied. These are some of the objectives we worked upon, such as extracting the ECG data, classification of ECG signals, and also followed by the user application. So for extraction, we use the RAQIB smartwatch. How it was done is the recording started with the RAQIB smartwatch. The methodology begins with the data recording phase. We collected data from as many as 30 IAUM students who were made to do few tasks with the main aim of inducing stress while recording the data. After stress induction phase, we made the participants listen to some soft music so that they can relax and record the data again in the relaxed state. So for better results from the RAQIB smartwatch, we must take care of the environmental conditions and also make sure that the wrist is dry with almost zero movement while recording the data. This phase of data acquisition was followed by pre-processing and feature extraction stages using MATLAB software, and the discussion is obviously beyond the scope of this video. And the last step of our methodology was the classification of the ECG signals as stress and non-stress. For that, we use the software VECA. As far as the RAQIB interface is concerned, the figures in this presentation are all related to that interface. The one on the left is the watch itself. The one in the middle is the mobile application available on Android. Through this mobile application, the data related to all the functionalities of the watch can be viewed. And there is this figure on the right, which shows the look and feel of the ECG graph on the same application. Coming to the data extraction using a Favoriot database, one would need an API key and also a developer ID to extract and access his or her data available on the Favoriot database. These two confidential parameters, that is the API key and the developer ID, to access the data are provided upon request by the Favoriot team. We sent a GET request through a Postman application as shown in the figure on the left. One can access directly as well using a URL. So after extracting and saving raw data in a separate file, you can use suitable pre-processing software to carry on with your work. We use MATLAB for such case as shown through the plot. Completely depends on what you are trying to achieve. We successfully presented our work in an IEEE conference, and the presentation of our work can be found at the mentioned link here. This is a snapshot of our IEEE conference publication, which will soon be available online. For all the researchers interested in ECG related work, please feel free to go through our conference presentation and also the paper once available online. In conclusion, I would say that the favored IoT platform has played a key role in accomplishing our goals and achieving our objectives. Data can be accessed and extracted as per your wish and will. The data is clean if taken appropriately through you, though you might need to detrend the same due to the baseline drift. That again is a simple task. For the researcher, if your work is related to ECG and you want to work on your own data rather than relying on the data that has been recorded and kept available online, such as the data available on the PhysioNet, then this platform is for you. This device is indeed useful to carry on with the ECG based research. Apart from the other functions of the RAQIB smartwatch, such as the heartbeat counter, the blood pressure recording, steps counter, etc. We see many smartwatches out there that record the ECG data as well, but not all of them let you access your ECG data, and also with such a low price. Recording ECG has, I would say that it has just become an easy task by means of such smartwatches. And we would also like to thank the support given by the Ministry of Higher Education through this grant number FRGS 1500759. And I would also like to thank my supervisor, Madam Noorjana Ibrahim, for her support. Thank you guys. I hope you found some information related to how we can use the RAQIB smartwatch in extracting the data. Thank you.